So the next abstract is 10008, and this was a single center phase 1b study of concurrent intrathecal nivolumab plus IV nivolumab in patients with metastatic melanoma who had leptomeningeal disease. So again, this is a patient population which is extremely poorly prognostic. These patients' median overall survival is usually somewhere between 6 to 12 weeks. And oftentimes, once a patient has developed leptomeningeal disease, we start really focusing on their comfort, discussing hospice. In general, we just don't have a lot of options for these patients. So given that background, this abstract showed that although it was a very small trial, it had 18 patients. In this trial, the investigators determined the safest phase 2 dose of intrathecal nivolumab plus intravenous nivolumab in those who had leptomeningeal disease. These patients had, in many cases, required dexamethasone. They had received prior IO therapy, IL-2, radiation, again, a pre-treated patient population. So interestingly, the trial showed that the median overall survival was over 19 weeks. So compared to historical data in which the median overall survival was far lower, I think this trial showed that this may be an approach that absolutely needs further investigating. I mean, we have some preliminary data on what some safe doses of intrathecal nivolumab may be. Correlative data has yet to be published, so that will certainly be interesting in maybe helping us to understand the responses in the central nervous system versus extracranially. But again, patients with leptomeningeal disease have so few therapeutic options. Their prognosis is so poor that this abstract, for the first time in a prospective setting, shows that we actually may have an option that might benefit survival in a meaningful way.